Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you and tell you how to copy a link to YouTube channel on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this on your iPhone, you need to go to the YouTube app. Next, in order to copy the link about the version of the corner will be your profile. Or as you can see at the bottom. Click here. Click on your account. In the upper right-hand corner, there's 3 dots. Share, and here you click Copy Link. And then you can copy the link to your account. If you want to copy a link to some other profile, you click on Home. Find some other profile here. Let's say you go down like this, and let's say you click here. Here you find in the upper right corner also 3 dots. You click here and then you click there and click Share, and click Copy Link. After that, we were also able to copy the link to the YouTube channel. This method works on absolutely any phone, absolutely any tablet. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android. But if you help them like this video, you can give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.